See now they mind I call you long time, you don't even mind me.
You. You think I don't know? Yesterday I saw you.
So me doing what?
I saw you watching my friend's ass. The big ass.
What kind of ass are you referring to? The one you use as cutlass or what? Ass. I can't watch any ass in this campus. Your own ass is enough for me. The packaging. I mean, you know what? I don't like all those big things. Oh.
But why were you looking at her?
I wasn't looking at anything. I was just only looking at the top. I wanted to get a similar top. Not the ass. I don't like, as a matter of fact, I'm anti-ass. But gee, the thing is that I like this one. This one there like this as it is small, portable. I can grab it very well. Let's go out.
Today, yeah, I'm not feeling like going out. I'm sorry.
Baby, if you don't feel like going out, it means you're still angry with me.
No.
Why you bored? Why you the bored?
No, I'm not bored. Just that I don't.
Then make we go. You get one spot where I just discovered. This spot make nice.
I'm not ready.
I will carry another girl go. You know me, I will carry down your friend. I know they look the asshole, but I feel carry and go. We could go. The place is nice.
You see,
No, sorry. Oh, relax. Calm down. I will try make your body calm down. If me they talk to you. You know, say if only you there with my eyes for this kind of place. Make we go.
But today I'm not
Make
feeling
we go. Oh, you don't make a beg too much.
You know, if I'm okay, I can go with you. But today I'm not okay.
So what is the problem?
Nothing. I'll be fine. Don't worry.
So I should go alone?
Yes.
Make I go alone?
Yeah.
You they give me the idea make I go alone. No?
I'm just saying I'm not feeling
But
okay.
No. You say I should go alone, Abi?
Charlie. What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
So we can't sit here like 5 minutes, please. You just dey lie down, they cry.
I
What
don't
they worry
understand,
you to, I
sir.
know go fit
Charlie,
talk.
why they cry like that?
Midnight. It's like, I don't know. I can't remember, but like I've had sex with a girl.
Huh? What did they talk?
So sick of the sex we can't sit here, they cry.
You two,
Hey.
you did, so you, so
Nah,
are they
nah.
here, if they talk that thing, it be normal.
You know, see, make I talk.
It be normal, say they talk.
If Mickey they do this thing where you guys they support them and where you grow rich right there, he have sex where you can't sit here, they cry. Where you see they
See,
support them.
what if this
You know,
girl
we say I
get
dey
HIV?
support am.
Why you they talk like, what's up?
You get HIV like how? How you go
Why?
get
You don't
HIV?
know, you don't know the person you bed plus.
I don't know her name, but then if I see her,
Make I talk to something. If she get HIV, why you need that situation?
get out. You say, "Coffee no be that why you they talk that thing." What
Hey,
they do?
you fuck up pass.
Me, I'm
Hey,
fuck up.
if it today where I say you fuck up, why?
You know what to do.
Where you sound no they like mama touch you dey here where you dey if they talk say you go bed plus woman where you dey see am
Me na you
say
dey here,
it be
you
normal say you go bed plus one bro
Where you dey here, you know say me.
make you know they touch me shall I go sound you for where you dey no if what they talk they be you
So right now, maybe if we carry you go there, if we identify the girl, show her.
If I see your face, I go feel identify him, but then I don't know the person name.
So what you dey wait for? No go search for her.
so you go see am
If I see him, I go.
But you fool! I know I just know they understand you. Telling you.
I dey sure give am o.
Wetin dey worry you?
so you fit
Just
bed
because
plus
this you
woman
can't
wey
sit
you
there
don't
dey cry.
know you don't know hey you shock me o
You be
you
dumb
see
for
the
college.
Shall make you
Me,
they hit me like why you
Miss
dey-
Afa for slap am, I for sound in face.
See, you know they like mama.
You see the plenty women in the chop. You see the plenty women in the chase no. You see where it take catch.
You need not say how you dey talk. I dey see say your eye dey
I tell
inside.
you people plenty. See, I know they chasing the woman. Why you put it?
You know they chase woman.
Okay, let's go.
If you that, you know they chase.
You dey hear what I talk you? You bab. If someone come where they biz of me, what you go tell the person?
I don't know where you dey.
Huh?
I don't know where you dey.
You don't know where I dey. You don't know anything about me. You don't know where my whereabouts. You bab.
But
I no fit repeat myself again.
I beg you. I dey take my leaving.
Okay. I go catch you later.
Okay.
Now that
My friend, come.
everybody dey talk to me. Everybody dey talk to her. Who that?
You be my friend, my hostel
Big
mate.
friend. I dey tell you, I always
It's okay. It's good you are here. Since it be where the two of us wait here, I want to busy you something.
Waiting with that.
And I want you to tell me the truth.
Why? You know they believe me. Why? You hear something?
Did you sleep with any lady?
If you are going to remember, past almost 1.5 years. I say if you are going to remember, I passed 1.5 years.
You be sure say that be the truth.
See, make I tell you something. You see, inside this campus, me Sakpanyanya, I know they check anybody. Me, the one they check, be the one they follow.
The issue be I start having some funny issue. There is change in my urine, like abdominal pain and like, so I suspect say you give me some infection.
Me Sakpanyanya. I will talk say maybe you go some runs, go do your runs and you get that sickness.
Me.
You won't put on me say I be. Me Sakpanyanya, me I no get sickness oh. Me Sakpanyanya. If you see say woman they follow me not be me call am oh. She dey feel me. Because of my name. Because this campus, nobody like Sakpanyanya. If you go inside dictionary, you go hear my name for there. Sakpanyanya.
So every day they joke like some. I'm telling you something serious.
This
they
one
joke.
is not a joking matter. You are telling me serious thing, I am telling you serious thing. You are saying I'm joking like what? I don't get sickness.
So we feel go hospital.
Why not? I don't get anything for my body. Oh.
Mewo. Oba. Abebi all a film oketo all a film. See, me no ya wo me anopa kasa hale mu jata. E ya chedi men ko wia ye ba beje montoboa. Na sa ta kwa na kotia. Chale ten na my. Foot is a fight.
Hey, the best rapper. Hey, Ajumudia. I believe in yourself.
I'm Maji award Maji best rapper.
Hey, Charlie, Charlie, you sure?
Yeah.
Na you my capella capella na wole boys Jahana.
Oh, don't worry. Enemy bia. See. Ose me no ya wo mi anopa kasa hale mu jata. E ya chedi men ko wia ye ba beje montoboa. Na sa ta kwa na kotia. Chale ten na my. Foot is a fight.
Right, this one. I will take you go Connecticut for America. You know, the best rapper you could take for them. Hey, Charlie, what's up?
Just change up. Me camera woni mi share e obo ma ba no e yo ya dem a hit anu podi on fa no ni sika pimbo ba kekya me ado do podi na nkoso e ya wa fa
no yeah rap na ram mu you rap enter
chalo ni mi ani ti fa wado fa to do abebe gina do scissors apaso tagi to boko rap no metedo memedo menkafo o ye de adofo wana no be face na ka ya
chama go you be the best rapper. You just wait for them for the era.
The other people say they be rappers. You nobody pass you.
Why don't you have a see, Fatu.
Abil.
Chama, me don't
sure.
Drop if you have town and my book.
I see.
You don't go America. Can you circuit? Can Atidina?
Moncasa.
Go,
Adabi. When you go Connecticut.
Chalade for you.
to make you wake up. I can't disturb you, sir. You are saying you will feel like Chris. Always you won't cross my ways. Hey, this guy, like he open him up. What I go do am for you? Nobody dey here. Like what I go do am, man. He said he go see. Lucky say no talk. Make I go find something.
That fair. She dey fit as the lecturer dey fit today. I swear. See the way she dey spy you.
Talk am. Cause see, me, the time I dey sit me, I dey feel. You say if somebody dey watch you, feel the feel am for your back. Hey, like it check like. I don't know how to talk.
No, but see on the more serious
note, I go clear out.
On the more serious, she dey feel. I no go lie, you bro. Yeah. Check like see. She no dey concentrate for class. Oh.
Like, how she go feel concentrate? While she dey see Eric, she go feel concentrate whilst Eric dey here.
Yeah. Hello. Please, pass it for me. Please wait. Please, can you tell me something? The last time we met, like something happened. Like it's like I'm not myself. Ever since we met, I've not been myself. What did you do to me? Please tell me this. What did you do to me? Please wait. I'm talking to you. Where are you going to? Charlie, you see, before that thing happened, maybe this guy go out plus. I know the bab. Ever see?
You dey feel am.
Charlie, forget. I did talk about the video something.
You see nice girl like this with that.
What are you talking about?
So,
Okay, just tell me the truth. The last time you and I were out together, what did you do to me? Please just tell me the truth. That's all.
I didn't do anything to you, please.
I'm begging you. Please just tell me the truth.
Charlie, what they go on for here?
What do you mean?
I mean, excuse me.
Hey.
What's wrong with you?
Why if it's a movie, Biana?
What's wrong with you?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Just let. I'm sorry.
If it's a movie,
sorry,
Biana, what's
just
up? What they go on?
Team your dog.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Mickey. Are you sure? You be like that. Did you do me? If you dey feel somebody and you see me,
I know the film.
That was up.
They tell you about the video. Check it be she. Like that night I went out with her.
Hey, Mickey, I swear down to you, today I discovered that you be the most foolish creature I've ever seen on this planet. I wait till they stop you. So the girl be that way make she go. Why you no go fit talk to me say this be the girl?
Why she there the person they hold my shirt? Why you no go
Master,
do
come
something?
on, you be girl. Me, I think say.
Charlie, if you do me, if I get to, I go stone you. What that? Charlie, let they go. Look at what she get my shirt.
Oh, Charlie, I'm very disappointed.
This shirt, my mommy they go. If my mommy they go around, she go complain.
You be crown. So you see the girl. This be the girl with the movie.
What? Charlie, I beg. You did here. I called again. You don't do anything. So please let me go. At the home, sir. At the go.
Hey, I never see that you be coward.
Make no
See,
fool
from
for
today
house.
onwards, if you see me, say make you no call. That make you bad.
You see something, you be hustler. I'll give you some. Go fetch the water, come.
Make me go fetch water and give you the back.
If you are tired, you for sick from look at my eye. You know see me are tired. You are this in my mind.
See, today your bribe no go fit change my mind. My mind is made up. You understand?
I know the.
So if you tired, make you go back.
Okay, see, you come. Yeah, I'll give you some coins here.
You give me coins. Thank you. We'll go there instead and you give me the
Wait, but I foresee the water before I give you the coin. You don't watch it. I will send you 100 baht.
Go send me 100 CDs.
Actually, 100 cedi for just one gallon of water.
The gallon will be your own.
Why you don't go back farm? Hey, Eric. Charlie, hey, give my money. Hey, you start to go. See, the 2K I sent you the last time. Hey, Charlie, give my money.
What did they say? We friend.
That's your girlfriend now. I say make I just get small chance, just do one or two things. You don't agree.
Hey. This guy, you fuck up, oh. That man party, you want hey. So you every girly way they this compound top. You want hammer, eh?
I never hammer you now. When I hammer you, I go to say
I tell you say that
Charlie,
things
Charlie.
make it take comot
You
for
guys
inside.
don't realize my presence for you.
But you be not that bad.
Right now, I feel like I'm in a max.
Every time they carry hand, they put for pocket. Nothing there.
Master, hey,
What the, okay?
you be Elon Musk for what?
No, what they the pocket?
What they show? What they show
Make
say?
a
Yeah.
You see, say next year then go vote. I sure say I will sponsor.
Hey,
I will
goodness.
fight
So juggling.
No,
This
that's
guy
on what.
so juggling.
Serious. They can't feel us with that. So every time they take money, they can't just this small money. They can't take the operation people for here.
Charlie,
You never
where you
know.
get the money from?
No, leave am.
Charlie,
They go attack
Why
am
you
one day.
boss money or what?
Sometimes if billionaires they club it.
hey, Charlie.
Charlie,
You
like,
stand there,
you
you
just-
forgive me
just
so. Charlie,
I know what I will talk say.
Okay, so they come
Make I
out
tell you
precious.
something. Sometimes if we the billionaires we dey talk, you see, you the
make it stand here, make a pop you well. Make it stand here, make a pop you
Nah,
well.
nah, nah.
I want size you from head to toe.
You won't observe.
Charlie, I want watch you.
Nina, make a advice and make
Hey, this guy go kill
My guy.
person. Charlie, where you get the money for?
Eric, listen to me. Make a
Chop,
tell you
chop,
something. She
chop,
say if you can't put
chop. I beg,
you for just to use your head. Maybe everything you go to show yourself, say you get more chicken change.
I beg.
People get money way pass you.
The
You
guys-
don't
tell
low
her.
key.
The guys are getting it. Nina, you dey hear am?
No more relax.
I
I'm
say
not
me I
talking.
get.
If it's
You
true,
know be the chicken change with the talk, oh, but what did they talk? It make sense.
they never attack
They
us
won't
before.
tell you say the
Ah.
guys go chop your money.
Hey, that will chop me my money.
Aside that too, you say don't say bad people they
They never see my
Watch
You
me,
They
watch
go
me.
claim your
Girls
money
will chop me my money.
before they G.
Charlie, relax. Me be Nima them born you.
Yeah,
Me,
wow.
I be Nima boy.
We
You
know they
understand? We don't go fit chop my money.
Okay,
You
fine.
make you
You dey talk about who? Someone go can attack me.
He choose.
Hey.
Okay, fine.
Make
So
you calm down.
so
Charlie,
nobody go
see,
fit chop their money.
See,
We guys know
just
that
everything short, I beg. Make me split the money. Give me when I share. This one I know be plenty
I
talk.
know they follow the. I know need the money. Me, I know, make you give
Give
you
me
your
when
share.
I share. When I share.
They can give you one.
You know they like.
I know they like. I don't want. Me, I know
You
they
need to eat
Chick-
flex.
chicken
oh.
change.
Ah, Joe.
I beg you
Check
like.
Nina, you guys they forget my policy.
What be your
I
policy?
talk you guys say me, my money no be good.
But I thought you say this guy not get nothing.
So Charlie, make you go make I go spread you.
He no go fit give you the cash. Oh. This guy, he be fucking guy rough. He be fucking rough.
Hey, the spreading ahead me. I will go.
He dey
Charlie.
go.
I will go. The spreading song.
That's why.
Consent about the video.
Huh?
I mean, can't you hear me?
You're still talking about this video.
There you go again. Always worried about this same video. Maybe it's these gangsters that took the phone. They just want to sell it and use the money to buy weed. or-
Yes, just weed. That's all.
Oh.
Stop crying, okay?
But you know, I don't put password on my phone, so it's easy for them to go through the phone and then see what's in there.
See,
That's
the
the
phone self, you
problem.
know they hear them. And they just go sell them, buy weed. That be all.
Who they all pre o? Me, my brand new crocro. Attire.
Stop crying, huh? Spanky, stop crying. Those people, it's just weed. And they will just
But why
sell
would-
the phone.
But this thing has never happened before. How could someone just? I'm particular about it. It could be someone that is very close, someone that is around this campus.
Are you sure?
Aboy be bekawa.
But what do you mean? Gifty.
Crying face.
Or you know the person who took it? Stop
Crying baby.
crying. Baby girl, stop
No,
crying.
please. Oh, please.
Stop crying.
When will you be serious? You are always not serious. Oh,
Don't mind it.
please.
It's okay. Leave everything to God, okay?
Please don't talk about God.
Leave
Please.
everything to God. God is in control, okay?
Hello.
Yes.
Do you know me?
Yes, I do.
Bro, this be the girl, the one I video something. She be the one.
So it be you. Why you dey like that? Eh? So this thing you dey do, what you go benefit? What go benefit for inside give you?
Do you know something, guys? Today is Sunday, and as you can see, it's a very cool place.
See, my
I'm
brother
trying to
here
catch
say,
some breeze, okay? I just don't want trouble.
my brother here say you catch am when you video and you there and you dey do your more things. You understand? When you video, when you take the show people. Why you dey do that?
Me?
Yeah, you.
So did he remember to tell you that?
Oh, Mickey. She be the one, bro.
Hold on. So did he also remember to tell you that he's owing me 1,000 Ghana cedi?
How can Mickey owe you? If you go owe him, Mickey no go fit owe somebody.
And the shock, sir.
Mickey, did you give me the money you promised after the sex?
Which
did
money?
you?
Charlie, she dey lie. She dey. What how we promise?
Charlie, you dey confuse me. So Mickey, you did day.
Please, you can just leave. As you can see, I'm very busy doing something. Just go away. Go away. When you get the money, you come back. Please go away.
So you dey owe him.
How I go dey owe somebody where I had an affair without knowing? How?
So now wait. If you know they owe him, she no go talk say you dey owe him.
Charlie, Sean, she dey see.
So you still believe him?
Charlie, I'm very disappointed in you.
Charlie, why?
So you did there, you dey claim virgin.
I like that. I like that.
You dey fuck up.
Please
Come
get
on
away.
for
Get
this.
away.
Eric. So all the promise you made.
Hey, you there? You have to be very careful. Just be very careful.